Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 441. Which sentence describes an action that was in progress when another action occurred? A. I read a book. B. I was reading a book when the power went out. C. I had read a book. D. I will read a book. Correct answer, I was reading a book when the power went out. Past continuous. Question number 442. Which sentence describes an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future? A. They study hard. B. They will be studying for their exam all day tomorrow. C. They studied yesterday. D. They are studying now. Correct answer, they will be studying for their exam all day tomorrow. Future continuous. Question number 443. Which sentence describes an action that was completed before another past action? A. The train arrived. B. The train had arrived before we got to the station. C. The train is arriving. D. The train will arrive. Correct answer, the train had arrived before we got to the station. Past perfect. Question number 444. Which sentence describes an action that will be completed before a specific time in the future? A. She writes a letter. B. She is writing a letter. C. She will have written the letter by noon. D. She wrote a letter. Correct answer, she will have written the letter by noon. Future perfect. Question number 445. Which sentence describes an action that started in the past and continued up to a specific point in the past? A. It snows a lot. B. It was snowing. C. It had been snowing for 3 hours before we left. D. It will snow. Correct answer, it had been snowing for 3 hours before we left. Past perfect continuous. Question number 446. Which tense is used for routines and repeated actions? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple past. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, simple present. Question number 447. Which tense is used to describe a temporary situation? A. Simple present. B. Present continuous. C. Simple past. D. Simple future. Correct answer, present continuous. Question number 448. Which tense is used for actions that occurred at a definite time in the past? A. Present perfect. B. Simple past. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, simple past. Question number 449. Which tense is used for predictions without strong evidence? A. Be going to future. B. Simple future, will. C. Present continuous. D. Simple present. Correct answer, simple future, will. Question number 450. Which tense is used for experiences that have happened at some point in your life up to now? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Simple present. Correct answer, present perfect. Like, share, comment and subscribe.